Hi, Richard from Total Parts Plus here. Today we have a Hyundai i40 Active, stock reference number 5651. This shape ran from 09 2011 to 05 2015. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an auto front-wheel drive transmission. Here we can see our G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand guard, left hand mirror, left front door, left rear door, left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim with good tyre. Left hand tail light, boot lid, right hand tail light, right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim with good tyre. Right rear door, right front door, right hand mirror, right hand guard, right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door trim, master switch, center console, gear stick, heater/AC controls, head unit, interior mirror, courtesy light, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, steering wheel with audio, phone and cruise control buttons.